Hello everyone, Miss Rita here. In geometry, chapter number 3, triangles. Today, we are going to see interior and exterior of a triangle. To the right side of your screen, a figure is displayed. In triangle PQR, extended side QR and mark point S on it such that QRS is collinear. Angle PRS form a linear pair with one of its interior angle, that is angle PRQ. Angle PRS is exterior angle of triangle PQR for angle PRQ. The other two angles are angle QPR and angle PQR are remote interior angles of a triangle. Here you have seen interior and exterior of a triangle. Student, now we will see theorem of remote interior angles of a triangle. Theorem is the measure of an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of its remote interior angle. The given information is angle PRS is an exterior angle of a triangle PQR. Here we have to prove angle PRS is equal to angle PQR plus angle QPR. So proof, as we know, the sum of measure of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. The addition of angle P, Q and R equal to 180 degree, that is the equation number 1. Second, angle PRQ plus angle PRS equal to 180 degree. Equation number 2, they form angles in linear pair. Now student, from first and second we get angle PQR plus angle QPR plus angle PRQ equal to angle PRQ plus angle PRS. Eliminating angle PRQ from both the side, which one I have highlighted with the red color. So remaining angles are angle PQR plus angle QPR equal to angle PRS. Here we have proved. Now student, some important points about the exterior angle. If you see the figure, the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the two opposite interior angle. The theorem we have seen now. So here exterior angle is given D and the remote interior angle is given A and B. So addition of remote interior angle means A plus B equal to D. Now our second important point is a triangle has 6 exterior angles. You can see in the figure 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 exterior angles are there. An exterior angle of a triangle is greater than each of its remote interior angles. Student, now we will start the practice set number 3.1. Question number 1 is, in the figure, angle ACD is an exterior angle of triangle ABC. Angle B is given 40 degree, angle A is given 70 degree. Find the measure of angle ACD. The given figure, information we have angle B 40 degree and angle A 70 degree. To find measure of angle ACD, which is exterior angle of a triangle ABC. Now, by the theorem of in remote in exterior angles, angle ACD equal to angle B plus angle A. Now substitute the value of angle B and angle A, 40 degree plus 70 degree, we get 110 degree. Therefore, angle ACD equal to 110 degree. Now, our question number 2 is, in triangle PQR, angle P is 70 degree, angle Q is 65 degree, then find angle R. So student, first of all we will write the given information. Angle P 70 degree, angle Q 65 degree. Here we have to find measure of angle R. Solution. In triangle PQR, addition of all the three angles, angle P plus angle Q plus angle R equal to 180 degree. The property is sum of measure of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Substitute the value of angle P and Q. 70 degree plus 65 degree plus angle R equal to 180 degree. Addition of 70 degree plus 65 degree is 135 degree. So, therefore, angle R equal to 180 degree minus 135 degree. Here we get angle R equal to 45 degree. Therefore, measure of angle R is 45 degree. Question number 3. The measure of angles of a triangle are x degree, x minus 20 degree, x minus 40 degree. Find the measure of each angle. Given information, the measure of angles of a triangles are x degree, x minus 20 degree, x minus 40 degree. Here we have to find the measure of each angle. Solution. Addition of all the three angle means x degree plus x minus 20 degree plus x minus 40 degree equal to 180 degree. Sum of measure of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Now open the bracket. Therefore we get x plus x minus 20 degree plus x minus 40 degree equal to 180 degree. X, there are total 3x. 3x minus 20 minus 40 is minus 60 degree equal to 180 degree. Therefore 3x equal to 180 degree. Minus 60 will move to the right side, become plus 60 degree. Therefore 3x equal to 240 degree. Therefore student, x is equal to 240 degree divided by 3. Now here 240 divided by 3 we get 80 degree. Therefore measure of x is 80 degree is the first angle. Second angle is x minus 20 equal to x is given 80 degree minus 20 we get 60 degree. Our third angle is x minus 40. The value of x is 80 degree minus 40 degree we get 40 degree. Measure of the angles of the triangles are 80 degree, 60 degree and 40 degree. Question number 4. The measure of one angle of a triangle is twice the measure of its smallest angle, and the measure of the other is thrice the measure of the smallest angle. Find the measure of the three angles. So here solution is, let assume the measure of the smallest angle of a triangle be x degree. According to given condition, the other two angles are 2x degree and the 3x degree. Twice means 2x, thrice means 3x. Now addition of all the three angles, x degree plus 2x degree plus 3x degree equal to 180 degree. Property is sum of measure of all angle of a triangle is 180 degree. Here in all total 6x equal to 180 degree. Therefore x equal to 180 degree divided by 6. Therefore x equal to 30 degree. Now student, our second angle is 2x, means 2 multiplied by x. The value of x is 30 degree, means 2 into 30, 60 degree. Our third angle is 3x, means 3 multiplied by x. The value of x is 30 degree, 3 into 30 is 90 degree. Therefore, measure of the three angle of a triangle are 30 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Question number 5. In the figure, measure of some angles are given. Using the measure, find the value of x, y and z. As per the given figure, the informations are angle EMR is given 140 degree and angle TEN is given 100 degree. Here we have to find x, y and z. Solution: angle EMR plus angle EMN equal to 180 degree. They form linear pairs of angle. Substitute the value of angle EMR 140 degree and angle EMN is given z. Therefore, z equal to 180 degree minus 140 degree. Therefore, we get the value of z is 40 degree. Now, angle TEN plus angle NEM equal to 180 degree. They also form linear pair of angle. Substitute the value of TEN. Angle TEN is 100 degree and angle NEM is given y. Therefore, y equal to 180 degree minus 100 degree. We get the value of y 80 degree. In triangle ENM, addition of all three angles x plus y plus z equal to 180 degree. Sum of measure of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Substitute the value of y 80 degree, substitute the value of z 40 degree. Therefore, x plus 120 degree equal to 180 degree. Therefore, x equal to 180 degree minus 120 degree, we get 60 degree. Answer is x equal to 60 degree, y equal to 80 degree and z equal to 40 degree. Student, in this video, I have explained you practice set number 3.1 till the question number 5. In the next video, I will continue with the question number 6. Thank you for watching this video.